Yo guys, what's going on? It's Booget here and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm just going to be going over my little tool that I've made called EX0. It's very basic and it doesn't really give you a massive advantage in Rust, but it's quite helpful. I can only see this being used in a vanilla server, so if you play modded and you're looking to go fucking closet cheat or some shit on a modded server, yeah, you're pretty much in the wrong place. But yeah, this is like a little vanilla kind of tool thing. It's very basic and I do plan to add more to it. So the two things that is in this script right now is the B grade option and then a Condensor, and then obviously you've got settings. You can change the GUI color and then enable the rainbow bar and add some options to that if you really want to. Anyways, so this download will be on unknown cheats. So if you go to the link in the description, go to the thread, make an account, and then you can see everything on there. It's open source. I don't plan to keep this hidden from anyone. You can see all the code that there is to it. I understand it's a little bit messy, and I'm just going to go over the parts that I think are messy real quick. So obviously the menu's it's not too bad. I mean, it could be better formatted, but yeah, it's decent. It's readable pretty much. And if we just go into EX0.cpp, the mouse move is kind of the way that I'm detecting for the B grade, like where to upgrade. It's pretty shit in my opinion. And other than that, I mean, everything else is alright, I guess. Obviously I've got a globals.h file, which isn't really ideal, but it's just quicker. Anyway, so let's just go into how you use everything. So pretty much when you go on the B grade option, you've got upgrade if available and then default upgrade. On default upgrade, you can change the upgrade speed and then the delay. So pretty much this will just delay when upgrades. So if I go on to put 100 millisecond delay on it, the moment I hold right click on this, it will wait 100 milliseconds, then it will go for it. The speed is just a speed that it will do it. So if I have this on 30 ms, it will go quick and upgrade quick. If this is on, let's say 100 ms, it will take its time. For upgrade if available, say if you've got a big base and it's all stone, for example, and you have metal fragments and only metal fragments, no other resource in your inventory, you can just go around right clicking on everything in the base and it will pretty much instantly upgrade. Sometimes it will bring up this menu, sometimes it won't even show this menu, it's that fast. For the code enter, it's very, very simple. You can enter your code into here. So say if my code was 244, you can enter the delay it types. So if I have let's say, I don't know, 182 millisecond delay on it, it will enter the first letter, or the first number, sorry. It will wait 182 milliseconds, enter the second number, wait 182 milliseconds, and then enter the third number, and so on, so on. Pretty much to do this, when you're using it, you just click change code lock and then you press the key that you have set behind. And obviously I know there's a last option, which will just enter the last key code you use. It's quite fucking slow, so you don't want to be using that shit. Anyway, I'm just going to go through everything real quick. So we're going to go around with the wood upgrade. Just going to put on a, I don't know, we'll put a 0 millisecond delay on it. And then we'll just do it in 30 seconds, I don't know, or 30 milliseconds, sorry. And then remember to change your sensitivity in the options. You can shift click to manually type it, or you can just use a slider. And then your FOV here. And we can go into enable. So when we right click, as you can see, goes around upgrading everything in wood. This also works for foundations or whatever you want to call them, roofs, floors. It works with anything. You've got stone, and if you didn't notice, it kind of jitters at the end, like points up like that. You can just up the delay a little bit, so like 35. There we go. You don't even have to go that high. You can probably just go on. At least it's not, as long as it's not 0, it won't jitter most likely. There you go. Stone, and again, so it works up here. Metal. And all I'm doing is pressing and holding right click, and then when it's finished, it will unrelease right click for you. And then we've also got HQM. There we go, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you upgrade if available real quick. So let's just take this off for now. Get rid of this, and if we just get a building plan, as you see, we've got a wooden thing here. Actually, what we'll do, we'll change the B grade to twig, so it builds in twig. Upgrade if available, enable it. As you can see, if I just spam right click, it'll upgrade it straight away. So that's just one click, because obviously the first material that would be available is wood. Second material that would be available would be stone. Then it would be sheet metal. And then it'll be HQM. And obviously this is very fast. You can legit just go around spamming this shit. and it upgrades very, very quickly. Anyway, let's move on to the code enterer. So as you can see, I've just got the code 2344. We'll add a 5-millisecond delay onto it. We'll go into our code area here, and then all we've got to do is press insert. And there you go, it enters the code. We can do this again just to show you. Insert, enters the code. And just to show you this works, what we'll do, whack up in a notepad, as you can see, 2344, which was the code. And just so you know what the delay thing is, so if we add this to, I don't fucking know, 131 milliseconds, as you see, it adds that delay between the key presses. And yeah, that pretty much is all there is to this video. It's just a quick rundown on EX0. So if anyone is downloading this on Unknown Cheats, you know exactly how to use it and what it does. And also, if you found this on GitHub, you'll know what it is and what it's doing if you can't read the source. If you do need any support or any help, or you want to know anything, just add me up on Discord and that will be in the description. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.